find the volume of the sphere in cubic centimeters to the nearest whole number, so correct to the nearest whole number. So here we have my best effort at a sphere. It's a little bit eggy, but thankfully it tells us it's a sphere, so you can assume that this isn't circular. Right, now again you can consult your formula sheet. It says volume and it says sphere. So if you don't know the formula already, the first thing you should do is look in your formula sheet, which will be at the front of the exam paper, and it says V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so that's 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Now it doesn't give us the radius, it gives us the diameter, so that's the first thing. Do we have the radius? No, but we can get it, so we can turn it into that. The other thing, we haven't used every bit of information in the question. It says find the volume of the sphere. So we've used volume and we've used sphere, that's how we came up with this. Nearest whole number comes later. It's this cubic centimeters bit. So cubic centimeters means the answer needs to be something cm cubed. Now at the moment this is meters. So you've got two choices. The first one is to convert 0.32 meters to centimeters right now. The second one is to go through doing meters and then convert to the meters cubed at the end to centimeters cubed. Now the first one is much easier. It's much easier to do a linear conversion, as in to convert a length to a length is much easier than converting a volume to a volume. You should be able to do it, you've been taught it, but it's just not the most efficient way. So I'm going to say R equals, well, if it's 0.32 meters, you should know that 1 meter equals 100 cm. So to go from meters to centimeters, we times by 100. So R equals, well, it's half of 0.32 times 100, so it's 16 centimeters. So it's half of that, and it's the 0.32 meters expressed in centimeters. So now volume equals 4/3 times pi times 16 cubed. It wants it to the nearest whole number. It's certainly not something that you want to be doing without a calculator. Cubing 16 is not something that is much fun without a calculator. So that comes out at 17157. 17157.28468. Okay, so I'm going to need units, and I'm going to need to do this last bit. Give it to the nearest whole number. So the whole number bit that I'm interested in is the bit before the decimal point. So I'm looking at, I find the whole number digits, it's the 7. I look next door, does the 2 make the 7 go up or stay the same? So 2's don't make things round up, they make them stay the same. So I can just chop off all the decimal points. So the answer is 17157 centimeters cubed to the nearest whole number.